Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Okay, you caught me. These are not my sunglasses. These PolarSpex pink beauties are actually our daughters. These are the cutest and most stylish cat eye frame. I absolutely love these. Well, she loves them more. I am impressed with the quality, the smoothness of the plastic. These are incredible. They fold up, they come with their own carrying case, which is amazing because, let's be honest, all of our sunglasses get scratches so easy. For her, the shape is amazing. She feels fancy, just like her mama. I absolutely love these on her. The comfort, she said, of course, I asked her all sorts of questions. The comfort, she said, was wonderful. The fact that it doesn't push on her head, the arms don't push on her head, that's a huge plus. And where it rests on the nose is smooth and comfortable. She would have no problem wearing these all day long. I absolutely love these PolarSpex because they're not too reflective. They are shiny and brilliant, but not like get you in the eye. I absolutely love these PolarSpex. They are going to be great for our entire family, I'm certain. But that's just my point of view.